What's up, YouTube? This is Milf Italiana84 checking in for the first time in well over a year. I usually do WWE Champions streaming, but today I got a package that I thought was definitely mine. I follow a beauty influencer by the name of Mikayla Nogueria, and she's freaking amazing. And I actually won one of her PR boxes, so I'm going to do an unboxing today of what I got. Um, just received it today. I'm gonna cover that up so that way her information is not shown to anybody. And we're just going to unbox this wonderful beauty box. I seen her video and I just knew it was for me. Thank you so much, Mikayla. I just wanted to say this definitely brightens up my entire month. I've had a horrible month. My car broke down and I no longer have a vehicle, so I'm walking to and from work. So this is just gonna make my day and just make my whole month better. So I already seen this on her video, but I definitely want to show you guys all these goodies. It goes all the way down. This box is huge. I have there's some stuff in here, Mikayla, that you did not show on the video. Peaches and cream pigments. Okay, so eyeshadow pigments, pearl, and let's see what this is. It says rattlesnake peaches. I'm thinking it's another pigment. We're gonna set this over here. A toast beauty sponge. Let me just show you guys these little pigments here. We have a Precisely My pencil, brow pencil. I don't do my brows, but I guess I'm going to start. Thank you, Mikayla. I have a House Labs dual-ended multi-purpose brush. I love House Labs products. I actually got a House Labs box from Influencer a long time ago, and I still use her products and I love it. Oh wow. These are going to be fun to experiment with. I don't do too much lip stuff, but she sent me 5 of the Too Faced Kiss and Jelly lip glosses. Actually, they're lip oil gloss combos, it says, hybrids. Let's see. Oh, here's another pigment. Alright, I'm trying to like put these together as in what they are. So this is gonna be hard to hold together. Mikayla, I don't know how you do it. You're just awesome. We have, this is a lot of stuff, Mikayla. This is awesome. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of the ColourPop liquid blushes. I did ask for liquid blushes. I only have one and I love it, but I definitely wanted to expand my color variety a little bit, so thank you so much. I have 2 So Juicy plumping lip gloss balms. I have another House Labs dual-ended multi-purpose brush. Nice. I love it. Alright, so 1, 2, 3. I'm pretty sure there's a 4th one. if I'm not mistaken, somewhere in this box, maybe I'm wrong, but this is the Rare Beauty Positive Light Liquid Luminizer Highlighters. Okay, so benefit. I know you put a few benefits in here. So far, I'm finding 2 of them and 3 of them. Here we go. So she sent me the Professional Super Setter Setting Spray by Benefit, the Do La La Liquid Glow by Benefit, and the Rose Tinted Lip and Cheek Stain, which I've never done one of those before, so we're gonna like that. Let's see. These are Korean skincare that she sent me, which is amazing. I never thought I'd ever be able to get Korean skincare because it is so pricey. So I'm definitely going to enjoy these products. She sent me some collagen lifting eye cream, which I do use, brightening eye cream, and then Hydro Boost Enzyme Cleansing Balm. And I believe there's one more of the tartar in here, or tartar, I don't know how you pronounce it. Here is another Benefit Glow Toner. I believe this is Benefit. No, Charlotte Tilbury. I'm sorry. Wonder Glow by Charlotte Tilbury. This looks like it's a lip product. Penelope Pink Kissing lipstick. There are more Charlotte Tilbury. Pillow Talk. Eyes for eyes. Okay, so Pillow Talk, Oyster Pearl, and Champagne. Ooh, I'm digging these. I'm gonna like these colors. Wow, there is a lot in here. Okay, Dermatur. I think this is another of the Korean. It's a calming antioxidant. Hollywood Blush and Glow Glide Kit. So this is a matte beauty blush wand and Hollywood Glow Glide Face highlighter and light wand, which this was not in the video. Thank you so much. I think this was underneath everything that I couldn't see, possibly, but it's from Charlotte Tilbury. This is another Benefit. It is Bad Girl Bang Mascara. Some cheek and lip liquid blushes from Persona, which I didn't see in the video, which I like surprises very much. Another Charlotte Tilbury, 2 more Pillow Talk lip liner, and a lip plumping collagen lip bath. The Tula skincare, which I was really excited about too. I'm going to be sharing this with my daughter. So I have the Instant Depuff Eye Renewal Serum, Protect and Glow Sunscreen, the Do Your Thing Moisturizing Gel Cream, and the 24/7 Moisture Hydrating Day and Night Cream. Fragrance free, which is amazing. Then I believe these are the cream blushes that she's sending me from Buxom. There are 5 of them, and they're beautiful colors. And Charlotte's Face and Body Cream. I'm gonna love this. It is supposed to help being hydrated, 3 times more hydrated in 1 hour. In 8 weeks, your skin looks 2 times firmer. In 8 weeks, your wrinkles appear reduced by 2 times. So, with me turning 40 this year and starting to get those wrinkles in the face, thank you. The fragrance Sol de Janeiro. P. Louise's Only Bad Bitches Feel the Fizz. I believe this is for your lips, possibly, is what she said. Yes, it's a lip product. And then some P. Louise Skin. It says protect the pout. So I believe this is for your lips. Yes, it says protects and hydrates dry and damaged lips with each application. It is lip conditioner. There's 3 of those. And then finally, last but not least, there are 6 of the new P. Louise Hungry for More palettes, which I'm excited to see what colors they are. Ooh, those are pretty. That's nice, more neutral. Ooh, purples, pretty. I like those. Ooh, blues. There's some blue in there. I didn't notice everyone has a different name on the top of them. Ooh, greens and browns in this one, which I really like this tealish green up here. That one's really nice. And then this one is more like a yellow and golden browns. Very nice. Mikayla, thank you so much again. And I hope your day is wonderful, just like you are. And I love you too. I did watch your video, and I knew exactly when you said my name that it was for me. And I've been anticipating this so much. I want to thank you again. Shout out to you for everything that you do for, you know, all of us smaller people in the world. Who don't usually get stuff like this. So thank you. Love you. And thank you to all my friends who are going to view this video. I hope your day is good. I hope your week's been good. And continue on doing your thing and living in this crazy world that we live in. Take care and have a blessed day.